Hello students, in previous videos we have seen definition of associativity, existence of identity, existence of inverse. Now in this video, first we will see theorem, which is uniqueness of identity element. Uniqueness of identity element. So statement is that a binary structure yes under operation star has at most one identity element. So a binary structure yes under operation star has at most one identity element, or in another way, or other statement is that if there is an identity element, if there is an identity element if there is an identity element, then it is unique. Means under yes under binary operation star has identity element, then which is unique. We have to prove this theorem. So we have to prove here, if we have set yes with under binary operation star, then it has unique identity element. So proof, let us assume that yes under binary operation star has two identity element. Then suppose we assume that E and E dash be two identity element in yes, as E is an identity, element, then we have what we have the definition. If we have seen in previous videos definition, if E is an identity element and A be any element from set S, then A star E should be A. This is the property for identity element. Means if E, we say that E is an identity element, A be any element in set S, then A star E should be A. So here now as E is an identity element, right? Then another we have taken two elements E and E dash, right? So we will write E star E dash. E is identity element. So if E is identity element, then A star E is equal to A, right? So here E is identity element. So E star E dash is equal to E dash. This is equation number 1. Now assume E dash is identity element. As E dash is an identity element, then we have again using same definition, A star E is equal to A. Here A is identity. Here E dash identity means what? A star E dash is equal to A, right? So here we have taken two elements. So what we get here, E star E dash is equal to E. Since here E dash is identity, right? So this is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, LHS is same. So what will we get? So from equation 1 and 2 we get E is equal to E dash. E is equal to E dash means identity element is unique. Therefore there exists unique identity element. Hence the proof. So what is the theorem? If yes under binary operation star, star is any binary operation which may be addition, multiplication, division, or whatever may be defined function, has at most one identity element. So we have proved this theorem. Now next we will see definition of group. Now we will see group, definition of group. Definition: a group G under binary operation star is a set G which is closed under binary operation star. Is closed under binary operation star such that following axioms satisfied. Such that following axioms satisfied. So what are the axioms? First, G1, which is for all, which is associativity. For all A, B, C belongs to G, then we have A star B star C is same as A star B star C, which is associativity in star. Second property, G2, existence of identity. So there is an identity element E. There is identity element E belongs to G such that for all X belongs to G, X star E is equal to E star X is equal to X. Then E is identity of that set G. And last property is G3, which is existence of inverse. For each, so existence of inverse, for each A belongs to G, for each A belongs to G, here I will take element A. So here for all A belongs to G, there exists A star E is equal to E star A, which is equal to A. Then we say that E is identity element. Now existence of inverse, for each A belongs to G, there exists B belongs to G such that A star B is equal to B star A is equal to identity. Then we say that B is an inverse element of set, element A. If all these three properties satisfied, then we say that G under binary operation star is an group. So what property must be satisfied? G must be closed. Closed property means binary set of J, whatever set it may be, its binary operation is satisfied, means any two element from that set under binary operation star which again belongs to that set. Now second property, associativity. Next, existence of identity and existence of inverse. If all these properties satisfied, then set G is said to be group. Now we will see some examples. Example: the sets set of integer, set of rational number, set of real number, set of complex numbers under operation addition, under operation addition is group. So we have seen the definition. When we see that the set G is said to be group if which is closed under binary operation star such that which satisfies the following property. First, associativity for any three element such that A star B star C is same as A star of B star C. Existence of identity element. For all A belongs to G, there exists identity element E such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Now, existence of identity. For all A belongs to G, there exists B such that A star B is same as B star A is equal to identity. Then we say that B is an inverse element of A. Now, in these sets, so what are the sets? Set of integers, set of rational, real and complex number. Under operation addition is group. Means all these properties will be satisfied. Here Z, Q, R and C, these are set of rational set of integer, rational, real and complex number under operation addition. Now we write in another form. So Z under binary operation addition, this is our statement. Z under addition, Q under addition, set of real number under addition, set of complex number under addition are groups. Are groups. Are group. Now we will see this example. So solution, we will take first set of integers under addition is group. We will show Z under addition is group. Now when we say that Z under addition or set G under addition is said to be group when all four properties, which is closeness, second one associativity, existence of identity and existence of inverse, all four properties satisfied, then we say that that set under that binary operation is group. Now first we will see for any two elements. So I will take A, B from set of integers. Then first closeness property. If A, B belongs to Z, then we have for any two integer, then their addition again belongs to set of integer, right? So A plus B again belongs to set of integer. Therefore, closeness property satisfied. Closeness property satisfied. Now next property, associativity. For associativity we want three elements, right? So let for associativity I will take A, B, C belongs to set of integers. Then we have addition always associative, right? So we write A, here operation is addition. So A plus of B which plus C is same as A plus B plus C, because A plus B under addition which is same as A plus B plus C, which is same as A plus B plus C. So associativity satisfied. So Z is associative. Now for existence of identity, third property, this is second property. Now for existence of identity, Now for all a belongs to set of integers, there exists identity belongs to set of integers such that how to exist. So what is the operation, what is definition for identity element? When we say that E is identity for a star, E is same as a. Now here operation is addition, so a star, here star is addition, so a plus E is equal to a. So by cancellation law, so what will we get? E is equal to 0 is identity element. Now last property, existence of inverse. Now for existence of inverse, now for all a belongs to Z, there exists, what is definition? There exists B belongs to set of integers. For all a belongs to Z, there exists B belongs to set of integers which is an inverse of A, such that what is the property? A plus B is equal to identity, right? So what is identity element is here, so which is 0, which implies that B A plus B which is 0. So what we get? That implies B is equal to minus A is an inverse element of A, because if A plus of minus A which is equal to 0, therefore B is equal to minus A is inverse. So therefore B is equal to minus A is an inverse element of A, because if A, here what is value of B? B is equal to minus A, so plus of minus A which is equal to addition, we take 0. Here what we get? A star, what is the property for existence of identity? A star B is equal to identity, therefore B is equal to minus A is an inverse element of A. So all four properties are satisfied, therefore all properties are satisfied, therefore set of integers under addition is group. Similarly we will do for set of rational number, set of real number, set of complex number, same things, all are groups. Now next we will see next definition, abelian group. So we will see next definition, abelian groups. Abelian group. Now the group G under binary operation star is called abelian group, is called abelian group if for all A B belongs to G, then A star B is same as B star A. Now here G under star is group, then we say that G under star is abelian group if for all AB belongs to set of AB belongs to G, then A star B should be same as B star A, then we say that G under star is abelian group. Now we will take examples. The set, first the set Z plus, set of positive integers under addition is not group. Because when we say that G is group, if it satisfies four properties. First, closeness means what? For all A, B belongs to G, then A star B should be in G. Second, associativity, which is for all ABC belongs to G, A star B star C is same as A star of B star C. And identity, existence of identity, for all A belongs to G, there exists E belongs to G such that A star E is equal to A. And for inverse, for all A belongs to G, there exists B belongs to G such that A star B is equal to identity. If these four conditions satisfied, then we say that G is group. If any one of these four conditions will not be satisfied, then G is not group. Now here what is the set of positive integer Z plus, which is set of positive integer under operation what? Addition. If all four conditions satisfied, closeness, existence, associativity, existence of identity, existence of inverse, if all four conditions satisfied, then we say that G is group. If any one of the of four conditions is fail, then G under operation star is not group. Now let's check which condition is not satisfied. Now for closeness, if I take A, B, any two elements from set of positive integer, then we have, if we have two positive integers, then their addition A plus B again positive, so which is belongs to set of integers. So closeness satisfied, which is closed. Therefore Z plus under addition is closed. Now for associativity, for A, B, C belongs to set of positive integer, then we have A plus B plus C is same as A plus of B plus C. So in addition, A plus B plus C is same as A plus of B plus C. So Z plus under addition is associative. Therefore Z plus under addition is associative. Now for if third property is existence of identity. So now for if A belongs to set of positive integer, A belongs to set of positive integer, there exists E belongs to Z plus such that, what is the property? A, here operation is addition, so A plus E should be A, right? So A belongs to positive integer, A is positive integer, so what are the positive integers? Z plus is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, so are the positive integer. So A should be cancelled, so what will be the value of E? E is equal to 0. So E is equal to 0, which does not belong to set of positive integer, right? So what is the definition for existence of identity? Identity, for all A belongs to G, there exists identity also in G, right? So here A belongs to set of integer, but E is equal to 0, which does not belong to positive integer, right? So A is equal to 0, which does not belong to set of positive integer. Therefore identity element is not identity element in Z plus is not exist. Therefore identity element in Z plus not exist. So existence of identity property is failed, so Z plus under addition is not group. Therefore Z plus under addition is not group. Now next example, second example, set of all non-negative integers. set of all non-negative integers under operation addition is not group. Now what is given set? Set of all non-negative integers under operation addition is not group. Means the given what is set? G is here. Let G set of non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means negative integers. Positive integers included 0. Non-negative integers set of positive integers union singleton 0. This is non-negative. Non-negative which includes 0. So G is equal to Z plus union singleton 0. So set of all non-negative integers under operation addition is not group. So if Z under addition Z plus union singleton 0 under addition is group, then all 4 properties will be satisfied. But what we have to show here? Addition is not group, means any one of the property will not be satisfied. Now here Z plus, so first property is closeness, means we take any two elements from Z plus union singleton 0, then their addition again Z plus union singleton 0. So closeness property will be satisfied. Now second one, associativity. Addition in associativity in addition always satisfied, right? So third property, existence of identity. So what is the third property? First two property already satisfied. We have seen in previous example, right? Now we will see directly third property. So for existence of identity, so for all A belongs to Z plus union singleton 0, there exists E belongs to Z plus union singleton 0, such that how we get A? What is the operation? So operation is addition. So A plus E is equal to A, which implies that E is equal to 0. So E is equal to 0, which belongs to Z plus union singleton 0, because here is 0, right? Z plus union singleton 0. So 0 belongs to set of integer union singleton 0. So which is non-negative integers. So existence of identity satisfied. Therefore E is equal to 0 is identity in non-negative integers. Now last property. Now for inverse element, for inverse. Now for all A belongs to G, G means positive integer, Z plus union singleton 0. So let us check inverse element exists in Z plus union singleton 0 or not. Now if there exists B belongs to Z plus union singleton 0, then what will we get? A plus B, which is equal to what? Identity, right? So what will we get? A plus B, which is equal to 0, which implies that B is equal to, what will we get? B is equal to minus A. But what is given set? Set is set of positive integer union singleton 0. So we in this set we don't get negative numbers. So B is equal to minus A, which does not belong to set of positive integer union singleton 0, or B is equal to minus A, which does not belong to non-negative integers. So B is equal to minus A. Therefore B is equal to minus A, which does not belong to set of positive integer union singleton 0. Therefore inverse element not exist in Z plus union singleton 0. Therefore set of all negative integer under operation addition is not group. Set of all non-negative integers under operation addition is not group. Now next example, third one, set of integer, rational number, real number, complex number under addition are abelian group, are abelian groups. We have seen in previous example, we have solved for set of integer under addition, and which is abelian group means for all a b, last property is a b belongs to G, then a star b should be b star a. So all first property closeness, second property associativity, third property existence of identity, and fourth property existence of inverse, and last property for all a b belongs to G, then we get a star b is equal to b star a, then we say that G under binary operation star is abelian group. This is the last property. Now next example, the set of positive integer under multiplication is not a group. Z plus under multiplication, here is operation multiplication. So which property is not satisfied? Now first property is closeness. What is G here? G, let G is set of positive integer under operation what? Multiplication. Now for any two elements, suppose let I will take AP from set of integer, then their multiplication A into B should be in again set of positive integer. Therefore star G Z plus under multiplication is closed. Second one, multiplication is always associative in Z plus, right? So for all A, B, C belong to Z plus, then A into B into C is same as A into B into C. Therefore multiplication in Z plus is associative. Now for existence of identity, third property, existence of identity. Now for all A belongs to G, what is Z plus, there exists identity belongs to Z plus such that, what is the property for existence of identity? Here operation is multiplication, means A into E should be A, right? E will get cancelled, so which implies that E is equal to 1. So E is equal to 1 belongs to what? Set of integer. E is equal to 1 belongs to set of integer means E is equal to 1 is an identity element in set of positive integer under operation multiplication. Here E is equal to 1 in Z plus under operation multiplication. If operation is addition, then we get here operation plus sign. So in that case we will get E is equal to 0 is identity under addition, but here operation is multiplication, therefore A into E is equal to A, which implies that E is equal to 1 belongs to Z plus. Therefore Z plus under multiplication is E is equal to 1 is identity in Z plus under multiplication. Now last, existence of inverse. Now for A belongs to Z plus, if there exists B belongs to Z plus, then what is the property? Z plus such that our property is here operation is multiplication. So what will we get? A into B. So B is said to be inverse element of A. A into B is equal to what? Identity. So what is the identity here? Here identity is 1. So what will we get? A into B is equal to 1. So what will be the value of B? So B is equal to 1 upon a. But if a belongs to set of integer, then 1 upon a which does not belongs to set of positive integer, because if I have 2, if we take value of a should be 2, suppose 2 belongs to set of positive integer, but here is 1 upon 2 which does not belongs to set of positive integer. Therefore inverse of element in z plus is not exist. Therefore inverse in z plus under multiplication not exist. Therefore inverse in z plus under multiplication not exist. Therefore g or z plus under multiplication not group. So this property existence of inverse is not exist in z plus under multiplication. Therefore z plus under multiplication is not group. Now in this for same we'll check for set of rational number under addition. Set of real number under addition is not is group or not. Now next example, uh, for exercise, the sets q plus set of real number under addition and q star set of non-zero rationals, set of non-zero reals, set of non-zero complex of non-zero numbers under multiplication are abelian groups. Question mark. Now let's check these sets. Q plus set of rational number under addition, set of positive rational numbers, set of positive real number, and here is sets q star set of non-zero rational, non-zero real, non-zero complex numbers are abelian groups under binary operation multiplication or not. Let's check this.